Yes, people, welcome back to the channel. Salams. Okay, right now we've got some of the global leaders meeting to discuss the Ukraine and Russia war right now, Putin and Zelensky. That has an adverse effect upon the stocks all over the world, especially US stocks and the FTSE 100. So let's see what's going on with the markets with this political element here as well. So the FTSE 100 and European stocks were in the green by closing bell on Tuesday, while US indices traded mixed after world leaders gathered in Washington, D.C. to try and hash out a possible end to the Russian Ukraine war. US benchmarks were mixed at the opening bell. Okay, after Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and European leaders traveled to Washington, US President Donald Trump wrote on social media that the summit had put into motion the arrangements for a meeting at a location to be determined between the President of Russia and the President of Ukraine. After that meeting takes place, we will have a trilog, which would be the two presidents plus myself, so a trio between the three of them. So Switzerland has put itself forward as a viable venue for that meeting, according to reports. But there are questions over the legality of the venue, as a Russian president has been indicted by the ICC on war crimes charges. Swiss Foreign Minister Ignazio Cassis said there is room for flexibility, telling local media, "We can do this despite the arrest warrant against Putin because of our special role and the role of Geneva as the European headquarters of the United Nations." So Trump met Putin in Alaska in an effort to try and broker a peace deal between the two countries. Obviously, that is affecting the stocks markets around the world. At the time, Zelensky said no deal would be reached with the involvement of Ukraine. However, there's more movement, more discussions, more negotiations ongoing currently. Meanwhile, the war is continuing, while Ukrainian Air Force saying that Russia launched 270 drone attacks overnight. Oil prices sold off, with Brent crude down 0.7% to trade below $66 per barrel, and West Texas Intermediate down by 1.2% to trade at $62.68. So you can see some of the prices there.